highly effective WhatsApp marketing tips and tricks that actually work. When calculated based on users, WhatsApp is the most used messaging application in the world. Now, this is one simple app that has transformed the way advertising is being used on mobile devices. Unlike other mobile advertising, WhatsApp advertising is as unique as the app itself. So here are some easy to apply tips and tricks that you can use in your WhatsApp advertising campaigns in order to see success. Number one, switching numbers. If you find that you need to change your WhatsApp contact phone number, there's a very simple process to do so in the account settings. While you're in settings, click the account option. When that screen loads, you should see a change number option. Simply click on it and it will prompt you through the process of making the change. You'll be required to enter the old and new numbers in order to change it. Now, the great part is that when you update the process and it's completed, it will have merged your old account info into the new number. So this includes all of your groups and other personal settings. Number two, last seen availability. On WhatsApp, there's a feature that allows you to show your last availability to whomever you like. Now, this can be beneficial when you're running an advertising campaign. In order to personalize this feature, you need to go to the settings screen. Now, once there, select the account option to go into the account. Inside that screen, you're looking for the privacy tab. And once you find it, you then look for the last seen option. Now that you're there, you can select who you want to see your last availability to, and then you'll be able to choose from everybody, my contacts, or nobody. Number three, lock your account. There are measures that you can take in order to secure your chat messengers. In the Google Play area, there are apps available for this very purpose. Now, one such app is called Chat Lock Application. Navigate to the Play Store and find the app. Once found, download and install it on your phone. Now, this app can protect more than just WhatsApp. There's a list of social media apps that can protect in the description. Now, I recommend that you read the description before downloading this app onto your phone. Number four, retrieve deleted conversations. There can be any number of ways that you might mistakenly delete an important message from your WhatsApp archive, but what can you do once it's gone? Well, thankfully, there is a way to retrieve messages that are deleted by mistake. WhatsApp has a backup feature that allows you to recover and restore previous conversations to your inbox. Now, in order to do it, you simply uninstall and reinstall your WhatsApp account. Now, when you're going to install, you'll be asked if you want to restore your history and conversations. Now, all you do is select OK to get back all your old messages. Now, when you're using your WhatsApp account for marketing, these tips and tricks can certainly help you launch and run successful advertising campaigns on WhatsApp. Though they may seem like trivial little things, each one of these tricks can help you boost the productivity of your efforts. Try using them all for yourself and you'll see just how much they help. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'm Michael Carter. I hope to see you on the next one.